Here's how you measure 1/4 of a cup using only a tablespoon. It's actually pretty easy. So here's our cup. We have 4 pieces. It's divided into quarters right now. So here's our 1/4 of a cup. What you need to know to do this is that 1 cup, so if we had 1 full cup here, that equals 16 tablespoons. So if I wanted to know how much 1/4 of a cup was, how many tablespoons I would need to measure this 1/4 of a cup, I could just divide this by 4, right? There's 4 pieces here. So 1/4 of a cup, that's going to equal 16 divided by 4. So our 1/4 of a cup, 16 divided by 4 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. And that's our tablespoon. So if you wanted to have 1/4 of a cup, like this right here, you would just need to measure out 4 tablespoons. And since a tablespoon equals 3 teaspoons, you could multiply this by 3, and you'd need 12 teaspoons to make our 1/4 cup here. That's it. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.